The Addi Express Kingsize has a simple and quick method for casting on, which is used for knitting in the round and flat panels. First, be sure that the switch on the side of the machine is flipped to the appropriate side for your project. Set the row counter to 0 before you begin casting on by turning the knob to the right. Leave some waste yarn in the center of the machine and loop yarn around the first black needle. Then, carry the yarn behind the next needle and in front of the next. Carry on in this manner, alternating the yarn in front and then behind until you have reached the last needle. It should line up in pattern. The last needle should be yarn behind, leading to your first cast-on needle. Now, carefully thread your yarn into the shuttle and be sure to close it. If you don't close it, the machine will be noisy and you will risk breaking the needles as you work. You're all set to begin working in the round or flat. To work in the round, continue turning the handle in the same direction you have been working in. For flat knitting, turn the handle in the other direction.